This squirrel has no problem at all climbing up this skinny pole to reach the bird feeder. I'm surprised it's taking this much time to contemplate. Oh, there it goes. Up on top of the world. Let's look around and make sure there's not a hawk or an owl about to feed on me while I am feeding on the delectable sunflower seeds. I will flash a signal to the other squirrels. Let them know that I have found a prize feeding ground for my family and friends. Maybe I could build a nest up here. And he shook some seeds out of the feeder onto the ground for an easier way to dine. Oh, maybe not. Maybe he would like to hang upside down while having lunch today. Yes. Could you eat lunch hanging upside down? That squirrel's gonna have acid reflux. I just saw the shadow of a large bird fly over. It could be a bird of prey. Some more hanging upside down, feeding on lunch. It's got to be difficult to swallow upside down.